Hello, K2. So today we're going to work on ending sounds. I need you to open your green book on page 137. 137 is a 1, a 3, and a 7. 1, 3, and 7. Remember, you can pause the video to look for the page, okay? Very good. Your page must look a little bit like this, okay? You have some children singing, sing, then a baby that is asleep, sleep, sleep. Then you have a dress, dress, dress. A hat, hat, hat. A cup, down here, cup, cup. Pencil, pencil, pencil. A cap, cap, cap. And a dress, dress, dress. Okay, we're going to look for the pictures or for the words that have the P ending sound. So remember how does P sounds? P, 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 P. Okay, so sing, sing. Does sing have P ending sound? P, sing. Yes or no? No, very good. Now, the baby is sleep, 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 sleep. Does sleep have P ending sound? Yes, very good. So I need you to get any color you like. I'm going to get, it's like a pink, a purple. And circle the baby that is asleep, sleep. Like this. Very good. Now we have dress, 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 dress. Does dress have P ending sound? P, P, P. Dress, dress. Yes or no? No, very good. Now, this one. Hat, hat. Does hat have P ending sound? P, P, P. Hat, hat. No, very good. So now this one. Cup, cup. Does cup have P, P, P ending sound? Cup, cup. Yes or no? Yes, very good. So get your color and circle cup. Remember, for the ending sound, end. Now, pencil, pencil, pencil. Does pencil have P ending sound? P, P, pencil, pencil. Yes or no? No, very good. Now the next one. Cap, cap. Does cap have P ending sound? P, 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 cap, cap. Yes, very good. So, circle cap. The last one. Coat, coat. Does coat have P ending sound? P, 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 coat, coat. Yes or no? No, very good, K2. Good job.